What up? It's Neko Quay, and welcome back to another Pixel Gun 3D video. So last live stream, I've been trying to get the dual shotguns, and guess what I got right here? Really, guess. Yep, that's right, I got them. And now, you know what time it is? It's time to wreck face with them. Oh, I knew I didn't know the hatch. Oh, another bat. Another egg. Another dog. As you see, I have 50 coins, and right now I'm trying to save up so I can get. I'm trying to save up so I can get this cowboy hat. I mean, it's really. Not only does it look really cool, but just look at the stats, like down there, the info. Like, it's really good. Really good indeed. I guess we'll go to Area 52 Labs. Note in mind that I really like the dual shotguns. I've already tried them out, so no big surprise. Oops, I'm in the bathroom. Alright, I need to throw a grenade at that turret, but I can't since I've already used it. Man, the thing is, I love my lion. Like, I just got him. His name is Mufasa. Like, he straight up wrecks more face than I do. Alright, let's see. Is that turret still here? Oh, it's gone. Oh no. He's about to set another turret. Get him, lion. That's right. Hey, at least I got. Yeah, I was like the highest in my team. Wait, did I just get killed by... Oh. Wait, he shot me with a pixel gun? That noob. Wait, I got something for him. I got something for him. I love spamming this. Spam, 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 spam. I want that. I know good and well that he didn't just take me out with a simple shotgun. Yeet. How is he killing? Like, I swear, some of these noobs are hacking because they're hating. Hackers are haters. Yoink. Yoink. Oh, I killed 2 people. So yeah, the dual shotgun, like, it's best. It's one of the best weapons on Pixel Gun 3D. Like, I suggest this. Like, people suggest, like, the ones that are mostly used, but I don't. I suggest ones like these. The ones that really stand out. The ones that will make people remember you. Alright, we're in the lead and we got like about 1 minute left. Joink. See, I got him. I told you every time I almost die, like I just throw a grenade just in case, and I got him. Which totally makes up for it. One more level and I'll be at level 7. Thing is, like, this is just like the quest to get that cowboy hat. Like, the moment I get the earnings from the level up, then I'm just going to buy the... Okay, we've seen all these, but why isn't this here? Is it because, like, this is just a copy of this, but it's like a code version? I don't get it. Why is it... Why? I don't get it. I really don't. Oh, that's my team. Whoa, 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 whoa. Get... I don't even know what just happened. I'm gonna forget what just happened. Alright, my team is wrecking face. Okay, someone was mowing me down with a wolf. Oh crap. Oh don't. Oh no. Nobody got time for waiting. I especially don't have time for waiting. I think I'm gonna have to start this over. Give it a minute. Come on, work with me here. Alright. Yeah. Alright, go back. And there. Like, I'm just gonna do, like, this is taking too long. I'm gonna, like, do, like, one co-op match and then I'm out. Like, this is enough. Like, that should be enough to, like, get me that cowboy hat. And I'm done. Like, yep. Yep, that's the end of the video. It's been, like, 11 minutes long. Wait, am I right? Wait, 12 minutes long now. Wait, I need to change something. I don't want people seeing what I'm wearing so they'll underestimate me. I should have done this. Wait, the armor is fine, but the wear, it has to be invisible, because it's been kinda... Okay, take off the wear. Yep, that's better. Now I don't know what I'm wearing. Wait, no. Custom. It's a good way to be first in a co-op match. You always have to start one. You start one yourself. That's how you do it. They say I need dual Uzis, man. I got dual shotguns. What you mean? Alright. Let's do this. How about that? People join the game automatically. Are you freaking serious? Screw you. I swear, if they get in my way, I'm going... Stop it! Oh, you mother... You wait. Hey, come over here. Yeah. Alright, my lion needs to represent. We gotta do work. unicorn. Come here. Keep it down. All you got to do is just, yeah. I mean, at least it's still working. I've been trying to see you down. I'm trying to stream. Shush! Shush! What the? Hold up. And the one. Collect. And another bat. It's just what I need. Okay, I didn't even know that this was a thing. I didn't even know I could get this. So, there's been a slight change of plans. I'm gonna save up 10 more to get this. Wish me luck.